Bafana Bafana have created history in a game that anything less than a victory would mean that Bafana Bafana would be knocked out of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Bafana Bafana made history by delivering an impressive performance to edge South Korea 1-0 at Estadio Monterrey, courtesy of a decisive goal from Thapelo Maseko. The hard-fought victory ensured that the 1996 African Cup of Nations champions finished second in their group, accumulating 4 points from their 3 matches and qualifying for the FIFA World Cup knockout stages for the first time in their history. The tournament for Bafana Bafana started with a devastating loss to the tournament co-host Mexico in the tournament opener, in which Bafana Bafana were playing a defensive formation and also tactics, and they were criticized for that performance. However, Bafana Bafana rallied back and managed to secure a come from behind 1-1 draw against Czechia to ensure that they keep their World Cup hopes alive. And they came into the game against South Korea needing all 3 points. Anything less than that, they were eliminated from the World Cup, and they ensured that they put on one of their best performances with Pepelo Stole, a player who has been criticized so much in the past week for his performance against Mexico, even getting a red card, with people saying that he should be dropped, and Hugo Bruce making a bold decision to ensure that he calls him back to replace the suspended Teboho Mokoena, and he put on an impressive performance in the middle of the park alongside Talente Mbata. And in this game, what's interesting is that Hugo Bruce played a 4-2-3-1, the formation that Bafana Bafana normally plays with 4 defenders, 2 midfielders, and 1 striker supported by 2 wingers and a number 10, with Relebohile Mofokeng making his first start in the FIFA World Cup, and he put on an impressive performance. Everyone in that Bafana Bafana starting lineup put on a brilliant display. What a moment it is for Bafana Bafana. What a moment it is for South African football. And Hugo Bruce becomes probably one of the most decorated Bafana Bafana head coach of all time with this feat, given that no Bafana Bafana coach has ever managed to ensure that Bafana Bafana gets out of the group in the World Cup. He's the first one to do so. The Belgian tactician came under so much pressure and scrutiny after his first game against Mexico, but he has also redeemed himself by booking Bafana Bafana's place into the knockout stages, where they will be playing the co-host Canada on the 28th of June 2026 on Sunday. Bafana Bafana will be heading into that game with their head held high, with so much confidence, with nothing to lose. They'll probably play their hearts out after what we saw tonight. What a moment it is for South African football. South Korea. They didn't win just by luck. They dominated South Korea. Even though South Korea had a 69% ball position and Bafana Bafana had 31% ball position, Bafana Bafana had 14 shots, meaning that their ball position, they used it to attack. They had 14 shots compared to 7 from South Korea. And they had 4 on target and South Korea only had 2. They completely dominated from the first whistle. They probably should have gone to halftime leading 1-0. However, they continued with that performance in the second half and they managed to secure that important victory after Tshepang Moremi assisted Thapelo Maseko for that goal, meaning that it was Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns combining for the goal. 2 teams that were impressive in the past season, with Orlando Pirates winning 3 trophies, a domestic treble that included a league which was their first league in 14 years, and Mamelodi Sundowns winning the CAF Champions League, beating AS FAR in the final to win their second star after their first star that they won in 2016 under coach Pitso Mosimane. And the domination of those 2 South African teams were on display today, with Bafana Bafana squad and also starting lineup dominated with players from Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. What a moment it is for South African football. Relebohile Mofokeng was impressive in that number 10 role. Bekezile Mbokazi was a rock at the back alongside Ime Ocon. Talente Mbatha and Spepelos Tole were solid in that midfield. Ozwina Police and Thapelo Maseko were causing havoc on the wings. Evidence Mahupa was relentless, making sure that those defenders, they didn't get a chance to breathe. What a moment for South African football. What a moment. A proud moment that will go down in history. These are players who have put their names in the history books. And not forgetting Aubrey Modiba and Khuliso Mudau, who were amazing in those full-back positions, led by the captain himself, Ronan Williams. What an impressive display he put on. There were scares at the end of the game, but Bafana Bafana remained resilient and ensured that they won the game. What a moment for South African football. We are proud of the boys, and we say that thank you for this amazing moment that you have brought for the country. That's the end of the news. See you next time.